Alright, so what exactly is manual eBay dropshipping and how does it work? Well, manual eBay dropshipping is simply where you're going to go over to the eBay website, you're going to sign up for an account, you're going to go through the whole process of building up your store in terms of making sure that you've built up your selling limit as well as making sure that you've built up your feedback score. But the actual manual element of this process of doing eBay dropshipping now comes into play when it comes to listing products. So for example, you first need to find a winning product. So I'm going to show you an example of how you're going to list items manually. So what you need to do is find an item that's selling well. So I just came across this particular product right here and it's called a neck massager. And just scrolling down over here, I can see this particular item here was able to sell over 1,000 different units. So I'm just going to click into it. Okay, so I can see that they're a brand new eBay seller because they've only got 357 feedbacks, which means that there's a high chance that I'm also going to be able to sell this item. And when it comes to making sure that it's definitely a winning product, what you need to do is use a product research tool like Zeek Analytics. I've typed in neck massager, and as you can see, this particular keyword was able to make over £35,000 in the last 30 days with a successful listing rate of 63%, which means that if I now list this item myself, I've got an above average chance of being able to make a sell. Now, when it comes to trying to see if I'm going to be able to find the item from a dropshipping supplier, the website that I like to use is CJ Dropshipping. So I've already typed in neck massager, and as you can see right there, they've got the exact same neck massager available that this seller was able to sell over 1,003 different units. I can see that they've got the electrical units for the UK as well, which means that if I want to sell it in the UK or the US or even Australia, I'm going to be able to do so. So that's a simple process of what I do when it comes to finding a winning product. And this is the same as what you'll do when it comes to the automated eBay dropshipping method that I'm going to show you a little bit later on in this video. But when it comes to manually listing items onto your eBay store, the way that this works is that you're going to go back over to the seller that is most successful with the item that you're looking to sell. Then what you're going to do is scroll over here where it says have one to sell it yourself, and you're just going to click on that. Then from this point, you want to make sure that you're selecting the right picture. So this one is not the exact same as the one on CJ Dropshipping. As you can see, this one has some golden buttons on the top corners. So what you're going to do is that you're going to come to this section here and you're going to export all of the pictures. Okay, so as you guys can see, all of the images have been downloaded successfully. So what I'm going to do is go back over to the listing. Then I'm going to click on add photos. Then you're going to select the top 12 images that really show the item from all different angles. So I'm just going to select the first 12 in the list, and then I'm going to click on open. Okay, so as you guys can see, all of the images have been uploaded successfully. Then what I'm going to do is scroll over here to the actual title. So eBay's already inserted the same title that the top seller is using. For me personally, I like to switch some words around, and I also like to do keyword research to make sure that these are even the best keywords to use, because even though this seller over here may be the #1 in the search results, that's only because they're using eBay ads for them to rise to the top. So what I like to do is ideally use some sort of keyword research tool to double check if I'm using the right keywords. Then you need to scroll down and make sure that you select all of the right characteristics in the item specification section. So for example, if there's any brand, if there's a specific color, if there's a specific weight of the item, make sure that you fill out all of this information, because that's going to help eBay know exactly what your item is, which again is going to help it show up in the eBay search results. And finally, when we come down over here, as you can see the description section, you're going to need to now go back over to where you're dropshipping the item from. So in this case, we're looking at this item, but scrolling down over here where it says description, what you're going to need to do is copy and paste all of this information right here. So for example, you're going to copy and paste this just like that, come back over here and then paste it in here. Then what you need to do is just go through it, make sure there's no spelling mistakes. Now I like to use a custom listing template when it comes to me listing products on eBay, but if you're looking to do things quick and you just want to get an item listed and you want to do it manually, you could just do it like this. Of course, you're going to also want to try and get the images as well. You're going to need to do all of this manually. And by the way, guys, I'm just quickly going through this just so that you have an idea of how manual eBay dropshipping works. Of course, you're going to need to take your time. You're also going to need to include information about your return policy, when you're going to ship the item out, information about your company in the description. But the main point of what I'm trying to show you in this section of the video is how you can manually list items on eBay. And then whenever you make a sale, it's going to be your job every single time to go back over to your supplier's website, copy and paste all of your buyer's information, buy the item from your supplier, go back over to eBay, copy and paste any tracking information, and then mark the item as dispatched. So that's what you really need to know when it comes to doing manual eBay dropshipping. Now, when it comes to automated eBay dropshipping and setting things up in an automated autopilot way, what you can use is a software called AutoDS, and they're going to be able to help speed up with various different things that I went through in this video. So once you've signed up for an AutoDS account that you can do by clicking the link in my description down below for a 30-day trial, you're going to see this page right here. Now, if we stick with the same item that we're looking at, which is the neck massager, if you wanted to add this product to your store, first things first, what you need to do is add your store and connect it to AutoDS. And the way that you can do that is by coming over to this section here where it says add store. From there, you just need to select your eBay store, and then you're going to be able to now sync your AutoDS account with your eBay account. From that point, you're now going to be able to add products onto your eBay store. And the way that you can do that is by clicking on add products. You're going to have the option to either add a single product, multiple products, but let's say in this case, you just want to add one single product. What you're going to do is go back over to the product page. You're going to copy the URL just like this. Then you're going to go back over to AutoDS, making sure that you selected the right eBay account that you're working with, and then just paste the URL in here just like that. As you can see, it's already selected CJ Dropshipping as my supplier source. Then what you're going to do is click on edit now. Once you see this page here, you can just go through, make sure that everything is up to your standard, make sure that everything is okay in terms of what you've already set up in the back end of your AutoDS account. I don't necessarily do this every time. I'm just showing you just for the purposes of this video, because once you've set everything up in the back end, you don't necessarily need to go through everything. But of course, it's still good to go through things like the description to make sure that all of the information has been pulled accurately. But the good thing about using AutoDS is that you're going to be able to create pre-done templates. As you can see there, it says edit templates. So you're not necessarily going to have to do this every single time when it comes to adding a product. Then what you're going to do is go through all of these different tabs, make sure that you selected the right electrical outlet that you want for whatever eBay store that you're currently building. Then you're also going to make sure that all the images are okay. As you can see, AutoDS has already pulled all of the images from CJ Dropshipping. Then all you need to do is click on save and import, and then it's going to get loaded directly to your eBay store. So that's one way that you're going to be able to automate your eBay dropshipping business by simply reducing the time that it takes you to list products on your store. I'm sure that as you can see from the manual listing process compared to the automated listing process, this one takes a lot less time. But not only are you going to be able to automate the listing process, but you're also going to be able to automate the fulfillment side of things as well. So if you do decide to use AutoDS, once you've signed up for that trial link in my description down below, one of the many ways that AutoDS is going to be able to automate the whole eBay dropshipping process is that whenever a sale comes through, they're going to automatically ship out the order. So you're never even going to have to see the orders. Order comes in, order gets automatically shipped out. Customer is automatically informed of the tracking number and any information they need. And all of this is going to be done on autopilot. As I already said, you're not even going to have to do anything with the orders when it comes to using something like AutoDS. So those are the main differences between manual and automated eBay dropshipping. Of course, there's some other ways that you're going to be able to automate the whole process. I didn't go through everything. I just wanted to go through the main things, which is listing as well as fulfillment. But if you want a more step-by-step understanding of everything you need to know when it comes to actually starting your eBay business, branding it, building your feedback score, everything in between, as well as dropshipping on eBay, then you can sign up for my step-by-step guide, Project eBay, where you can find it at www.projectebay.com. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you so much in advance. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know when a new video has been released. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where I broke down some other useful tips that's going to help you out with your eBay automated dropshipping business, I'm going to leave that video right there. Make sure you check that video out straight after this one, because it's already helped out thousands and thousands of people. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.